Why does my $600 Venmo transaction show up on Form 199K? Imagine checking your bank account and seeing a small payment of $600, then later finding out it appears on a tax form. That can be confusing, right? Well, let's clear that up. Form 199K is a document that payment platforms like Venmo send to the IRS. It reports the total amount of payments you received for selling goods or providing services. This form is meant for income that might be taxable. Now, the IRS has rules about when they requiring platforms to send this form. In recent years, those rules have changed quite a bit. For the years 2022 and 2023, the IRS only asked for a Form 199K if you received more than $20,000 and had more than 100 transactions. But starting in 2024, the threshold was lowered to $5,000 in total payments, no matter how many transactions you had. There was also talk about lowering the threshold to $600, but that was delayed because of confusion and concerns from taxpayers and platforms. As of now, the rules for 2025 and beyond are back to the original $20,000 and 200 transactions. So, why might a $600 Venmo payment show up on your Form 199K? If you live in certain states like Maryland, Massachusetts, Vermont, or Virginia, your state might have its own rules. These states requiring reporting for payments of $600 or more. That means Venmo could send you a Form 199K even if the federal rules say otherwise. Another reason is if you had multiple payments that add up to more than $5,000, or if the total of all your payments for the year crossed the federal threshold. The firm reports the total gross amount, so even small payments like $600 can be included if they are part of a larger sum. It's also good to remember that only payments for selling goods or services are taxable. Personal transfers to friends or family are not income and should not be reported as such. If you get a Form 199K and some payments are personal, you can report the total but subtract the non-taxable amounts when you file your taxes. Keeping clear records of your Venmo transactions helps you tell the difference between business income and personal transfers. If you are surprised by a Form 199K or have questions, talking to a tax professional familiar with your state's rules can help you avoid paying more taxes than you owe. In summary, your $600 Venmo transaction might appear on the Form 199K because of state reporting rules or because it is part of a larger total that meets IRS thresholds. Knowing these rules helps you report your income correctly and avoid confusion when filing taxes.